Man, 500 subscribers! Who would have thought?
No, that's a lot of
people. I got this cool mail from YouTube yesterday saying I got 500 subscribers and that I could fill a very big plane with 500 people, which is pretty cool. So to celebrate those 500 subscribers, here are all my best moments of all my previous videos I've done in the last 4 years or something like that on this channel. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for everyone who subscribed. If you're not subscribed yet, feel free to click that button below and to stay updated on tech content and other cool stuff. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. Hi, I'm Simon from THEUnboxing and you probably already know me, but if you don't, I make YouTube videos, I make tech videos. Hi, as you probably know, I'm Simon from THEUnboxing and I have a big announcement for you guys. Hi, I'm Simon from THEUnboxing and today I'm making a real versus fake fidget cube video 2.0. So it's designed for multiple orientations, so you can turn your television on each side you want and your Yamaha will turn with it and the sound will turn with it. Whoa. Howdy, 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 ho! I'm Simon from THEUnboxing and today I have a very special video. Something out of the ordinary, so we call it extraordinary. Yeah, I know. It's amazing. Hi, I'm Simon and today is my birthday.
Hit the drummer, get wicked!
So to round this video off, what do you need? Do you need an almost professional slider which will give you awesome shots for around 500 bucks? Okay, hi guys, you are probably here because you're wondering whether the Joby Gorillapod hybrid will work with your DSLR camera. Hi, I'm Simon and this is the smallest camera in the world. Watch a YouTube video, but oh no, it falls over and oh my glasses, and I want to watch like this. Oh, my head.
Hey Simon, thank you so much for having me on your channel. The first question you asked me is, what are your 3 tips to get big on YouTube?
Fortnite is very popular at the moment and I've downloaded it for my iPhone SE and I've got an invite code as well, so I'm going to try this game out. I've never played it before, so I'm probably going to suck a lot at this game. I look like the guy from, what's the series called? Skins or something? We're not safe anymore. So you all know everything about the Cambridge Analytica scandal where Zuckerberg was interrogated and all that stuff. Right, I'm only a little bit late to the party, but I finally discovered what that thing does when you shake your phone while typing. Right, welcome to the new series r/tech, where we check out the front page of the internet. That's Reddit, of course. The Okhel Series A. I had to wait a pretty long time to get my hands on this device, but it's finally here and we're going to check it out. So the 11th of February 2016 was the day I made my YouTube channel, and that's a bit more than 2 years ago right now. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg! It's been a long time, I know. So the legit fidget cube took a very long time to arrive. I ordered them in October.
I never drove a car before with that much power. You just feel special when you sit in the car. You feel it's not a normal car. I can't describe it. You just have to feel it by yourself, what it is to drive a supercar.
So this is actually recorded with the iPhone XR, but of course with another microphone and with some lighting as well to make it a bit better. So this game is actually releasing on the 21st. Today is the 19th. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100 videos. Now let's compare these two devices. So the SE has been unveiled, is officially released. If you press the volume indicator on the previous versions, you get a very big, thick box with your volume on your home screen. Or for example, when you're watching a YouTube video and it might get in the way. Did you know that the coronavirus can actually survive for over a week on an iPhone? Yeah, I'm scared as well. Hey Simon, is that an iPhone SE 2?
It's not even released yet.
But is it going to be released anytime soon?
That's why we're making this video.
Oh yeah, that's right. Forgot about that, sorry. I have more than 400 subscribers on this channel right now, and I want to do something with that, and I want to get myself out of my comfort zone. So I've always wanted to make the comparison between the Force Touch trackpad and the MX Master. I'm Simon from THEUnboxing. Let's go with the video. I don't know, it can fold either way. Probably, that's probably the thing they're trying to say. If I'm not mistaken, that's what they are doing with the Samsung right now. So first, main tip is keep the pace. There are 4 things you can do in keep the pace tip I'm going to give you. Love the specific art style you see here. This is made in Photoshop with the pen tool, if I'm not mistaken. At this point, I already knew this wasn't going to end well. After about 10 minutes, I did my first check and my god, who was this guy in the mirror? Right, so I'm going to show you how you can turn this into this on the iPhone XR.